Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I have taken a 2.5 meter printed cotton fabric and I am going to show you how to cut and stitch a beautiful baby frock for 9 to 10 year baby girl. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, I'll show you how to fold the fabric. Fold the fabric by half in width. Now fold it one more time. Leave some half-inch space and draw a straight line. Folded side, open side. From this point, mark 13 inch, which is the required bodice measurement. So draw a line. Now I am going to cut it. In my measurement, shoulder is 5.5 inch. So mark 5.5 inch. Then mark half inch down for shoulder slope. My neck width point is 2.5 inch. Join these 2 points. So from this point, mark 5.5 inch, which is armhole depth measurement. So in my measurement, chest is 8 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So mark 10 inch. Waist measurement is 6.75 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Join these 2 points. Now mark 1 inch above and draw a slight curve here. Now draw a back armhole curve. From here mark half inch inwards and draw a front armhole curve like this. My front neck depth is 4 inch. So mark 4 inch here. Back neck depth is 3 inch. So for my back neck, I am going to draw round neckline, and for front neck, it's V shape. Now I am going to cut it. Firstly, I am trimming the back neck and the back armhole. Then I will separate the back portion. For the front portion, I will trim the front armhole and the neck. Now slit at the center. So this is the front portion and back portion. This is how it looks. Now I will show you the bottom portion. Fold the fabric by half in length. Here we have 2 layers. Hold one end and fold the other end like a triangle shape. Folded side, open side and open side. So place the bodice portion on the bottom portion fabric and mark the waist measurement. Now from this point mark 20.75 inch or 21 inch. This is the length of the bottom. Now I am going to cut it. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to cut the sleeves. For sleeves, I have taken a fabric. These are 2 layers. Now I'm folding the fabric by half in width. So we'll get 4 layers. Folded side, open side. Length of my sleeve is 10 inch. Mark 2 inch at the opposite side. Then from here mark 1.5 inch inwards. Then join these 2 points. Now draw a back sleeve. Similarly, from this point mark half inch inwards. Then draw a front sleeve. My sleeve bottom round measurement is 5.5 inch. So join these 2 points. Now cut it. only trim the back sleeve, then make a small notch. Make sure the right sides are facing together, then trim the front sleeve. So I have taken a leftover fabric for belt sleeves. So fold the fabric like this and place the bottom round of the sleeve exactly. Then mark it and leave some half-inch space for seam allowance. Then from that point mark 5" and cut it. So this is how it looks. This is for a left and right side of the sleeve. Slit at the center. So similar to this, I have trimmed the other fabric. So length of the frill is 3". This one is 5". So I'll place these two frills like this and I will attach it with the sleeve bottom. I have taken a back portion. Now I am placing the front portion. Attach the shoulder. Make a stitch here. I have taken a bias tape to finish the neckline. So I am starting from the front portion, slit area. I am attaching the bias tape at the right side of the fabric. Then I will make small cuts all around the neck and I will turn that into the wrong side of the fabric and I will make a stitch. Fold the fabric, the bias tape twice and make a stitch. I finished the neckline. Now I have taken a strip. Width of the strip is 1". Now fold the strip at both the sides like this and fold it one more time and make a stitch at the end. So measure 2" and mark it. Then cut the strip. Similarly, I'll cut all these strips. Now mark the center, the starting point. Then leave some equal space like 1" or 2", depends on you. And mark the opposite side as well. Now I have taken the strip. Fold the strip like this and place it under the neck portion and make a stitch for all the strips. Similarly, place the other strips at the opposite side and make a stitch. I have taken a strip of width 3.5" and length depends on your body's measurement, front portion measurement. So fold the fabric, the strips like this and make a stitch. Now place this under the front portion neckline and make a stitch. Firstly, I am placing the left side and I am making a stitch. Similarly, I am placing the other side and I am making a stitch. This is how it looks. I have finished attaching. Now I will show you how to finish the sleeves. So now I'm going to finish the bottom of the bell sleeve by folding it twice at the inner edge. Similarly, I'll finish all the other sleeves bottom. I finished folding at the bottom for all the sleeves. Now I'll attach this with the sleeve. So I have finished attaching the sleeves with the frills for both left and right side. Now I'll show you how to attach this with the frock. So place the center of the sleeve like this and make a stitch for both the sides. I have finished attaching both the sleeves with the top. Now I'll show you how to attach the bottom. For that I have taken a bottom portion. Now fold the bottom portion twice and make a stitch. I finished attaching. Now I'll attach the bodice with the bottom by placing the fabric like this and make a stitch here for both front and back portion. Now make a top stitch. Similarly, finish the back portion. I have finished attaching the borders with the bottom for both front and back portion. Now I'll attach both the sides starting from the sleeve round till the bottom. I'll make a stitch. Similarly, I'll finish the other side. Now for the bottom I'm going to attach the lace. Place the lace like this and make a stitch. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. With this my stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.